In this video, you'll learn how to improve the performance of the Base44 application. This guide will take you through essential steps to optimize your experience and ensure smooth functionality. Begin by opening the Google Chrome browser on your computer. You can find the Chrome icon on your desktop or in your applications folder. Once Chrome is launched, you will see the home page displayed. Next, locate the 3 vertical dots in the upper right corner of the browser window. This icon represents the menu. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. After that, find and select the settings option from the menu. This will direct you to the settings page where you can modify various preferences and configurations. Once on the settings page, look for the privacy and security section in the left sidebar. Click on this option to access privacy-related settings that can help enhance your browsing experience. Then click on Clear Browsing Data. This action will open a dialog box that allows you to delete cached files and browsing history, which can improve app performance. In the dialog box, select All Time from the time range drop-down menu. This choice ensures that all cached data is cleared, which can significantly help with performance issues. Proceed by clicking on the Clear Data button. This action may take a moment, depending on the amount of data stored. Confirm that the process is completed before moving on. Next, return to the settings menu and scroll down to find the About Chrome option. Click on this to check for updates and ensure you are using the latest version of the browser. After that, if an update is available, Chrome will automatically begin downloading it. Wait for the download to finish and then follow any prompts to install the update. Once the installation is complete, restart your browser to apply the changes, close all open tabs and reopen Chrome to ensure the updates take effect. Finally, navigate to the Base44 application by entering its URL in the address bar or selecting it from your bookmarks. You should now experience improved performance within the app. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.